Joe Retro here, bringing you the biggest thing to hit moving pictures. Yes, it's the colossal Big Monkey. It appears as though Big Monkey's tummy is rumbling. His body says, I'm hungry. What will he do next? Oh my. Holy mackerel! The big fella just ate Lucky Sam's sandwich shop. Luckily, Sam is on vacation this week. Wait, it seems his body is trying to tell him something else. He appears to have an itch. It's moving. Jeez Louise, he's using a tree to scratch his itch. Talk about being in tune with your body. What's he doing? Oh my. Nice touch.
All this activity's making the big fella hot as can be.
Will he listen to his body again? Yes, he's leaping into the sky. Oh my, he's grabbed an airplane. He's using the plane to cool himself. I'm stunned, I'm horrified. Yes, I'm stunnified. His body's trying to tell him something again. He's thirsty. Yes, of course. He's uncapping the fire hydrant. He's drinking from the fire hydrant. He's recapping the hydrant. Swell. His thirst quenched. All of humanity is asking, what is his body going to tell him now? Ladies and gentlemen, there's your answer. The big monkey has to go to the bathroom. He is so in tune with his body. This just in. Officials are taking emergency measures.
It's a big monkey-sized potty and just in time.
Well, you know what they say. Monkey pee, monkey do.